Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
Today we are going to work on ochos figure, which is figures 8.
Yes.
See? We are going to do the ochos slow, showing you the technique to go very slow, then on the beat, on the tempo, and then a little faster.
Yes, today we're going to be using the music at the end of the video so you can see how to apply them.
Before going to the video, remember to like, subscribe with notifications, and share with your friends.
Without further ado, let's jump into the dance floor.
Okay, let's start with backward ochos. So we do side step, pivot, extending the leg, pivot, extending the leg. And this is very, very slow. And we're using all the technique to keep the tempo, not accelerate the move. Let's do the same with the front ochos. So we are here, extension, transfer, and use all the technique and all the power of your legs to go slow. Why? Because the music is, we are going to show you this later with the music, it's going to be slow. And sometimes it's harder to go slower than fast. Fast, you just move and you go on to the beat. But slow, you have to control all the moves.
Yes.
You have to control your balance. You have to know how to extend the legs. So let's show you that. So
For backward ochos first, we are going to do this. One rotate, take the step and hold. Breathe without any rotation. Enjoy the breathing moment, checking she's in axis, and then rotate. So basically, every time that I slow down the ochos, I try to stay a little lower so she can extend the leg. She will understand that I'm not rushing her. You have time and then rotate. And one extension and rotate. Rather than if I go on the beat, I go a little more up in a way that she doesn't have time to actually extend her front leg.
or I can do it faster.
Yes.
So let me do a slow version one more time. For followers, we are extending the leg in the back, transfer body weight, and do this extension on the front leg. Almost like you kick forward before collecting. When you collect, pivot, send the leg without moving the body weight, don't transfer weight, so you have time to transfer, extend again, in this case the right leg, and go back to the pivot. When I go back to the pivot, I'm rotating upper body first. So I'm using more music from the upper body and then the hips, then the leg, and then transfer body weight. Let me do it forward.
Sure.
So extension and slide. When the music is very slow, you have time to extend and then slide the leg and extend the back leg. So you have feet together, extension, sliding, extension on the back foot, position, show beautiful lines, and then feet together. So when the music is slow, you can really have to use all your muscles and your technique to avoid going faster and have more balance. When you extend the leg front, transfer, and extend the leg back, you are very much in axis balance, 2 feet together. So that will give you the possibility to go slower and show the lines.
For slower option, leaders showcase your legs. I assure you, I've been in many milongas and I see the most common, I will say 60% of the leaders when they accompany ochos, they go 1 and 2 and not pretty at all. Yep. So use this option. The first thing is that we always put ankles together, right? If you do it faster, for sure. But in this case, if we do it even slower, you can always create a little knee behind the other knee, almost like a low, tiny voleo, and come back. It's just 1 and 2. And you can fit together, or you can also put knee behind the other knee. Knee behind the other knee, I use it a lot during the front ochos. 1 and somehow is more organic than backward ocho. Ta-tan. It feels almost like, if you know about the steps, it feels better. It's almost like a corte look. And zack, this is a corte. We are not doing a corte, but it's a continuous continuously corte, without really stopping. That's the way that I feel this figure, 1 and 2 and 3. That will make it look prettier. So that's something that you can start adding to your dance leaders.
Now let's go a little faster. So
Sure.
we show the technique when the music is not too slow. A little difference is we step and change body weight a little sooner, but still, if we go in a slow motion, this is what we are doing. Stepping, extending, collect, pivot, stepping, extending. So when it's faster, the step is shorter, but it doesn't mean we are going to keep the legs like in bad position. So you use the same technique, but because the music is faster, you make the step shorter. So that's the only difference.
Yeah, and how we do it shorter, staying a little higher for the leaders. Keep your partner a little higher position for faster steps.
Yeah, let's show back and front.
Yes, tap, a little and 2 and 3. Ba-da-ba-bum, bum, ba-da-ba-wum, ba-da-ba-wum, ba-da-ba-ba, and 1, ta-da-ba-za.
If you see the video many times, you will see how we are using the extension also on the faster moves.
Yes, now we're going to try this with the music. Before we continue with the second part of this video, we would like to invite you to check out our website, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
This is an awesome online tango school where you can see a lot of videos, a lot of technique, a lot of topics, all you need.
You have the option to have downloadable videos or also watch all of them as part of our Tango membership.
Once again, the website is miriamleonardotango.com.
Now, let's continue with the second part.